Hello friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a project for you that I've been wanting to do for quite a while, and it's something that you probably have seen on Instagram. I know it's been quite a trend lately. I recently saw Laura from Garden Answer create one of these herself, and it does even have its own hashtag, and it's succiepotinapot. So I thought I would just put together something for you today. I have this terracotta pot here that I actually had a Endenium desert rose in, and I just repotted that this morning and lifted it up a little bit to try and get the caudex a little bigger in another pot. And because I had the full intention of using this pot, which is very wide, 12 inches across, it's terracotta. I had the intention of using this pot for this specific project. I have this pot here that you have probably seen me use before in some other succulent pot-ups, and it is a ceramic terracotta looking pot that looks like a little mug. And I thought it would be perfect because it has the same coloring as the larger pot, but it also has this cute little handle on it. So I have that, and then I have these. These are succulents that I got last month for the January Ultimate Succulent Club from Mountain Crest Gardens. You remember I potted them up in this plastic container, and I'm going to be using these for this project. And then I also went to Lowe's yesterday and picked up a couple of other little things. This one's got roots growing out. These here, look at these chunky little leaves on it. I don't want to touch them because they have that little powder on them. You can see that they've been kind of touched already. This is Sedum Treleasei. But I got those, and then to add a real splash of color, I got the Sedeveria Sorrento. Look at the color on that. Now these are sold in little 4-packs. Both of these are sold in little 4-packs, and I don't know if I'll use the entire 4-pack in this. I'm not quite sure. We'll see how it goes. If not, you know, if I have any left over, I do have another pot arrangement that I can pop these into. And I also pulled some cuttings from my own. I got a string of buttons here. And then these are actually leaf cuttings that were growing. This is a topsy-turvy cutting. And then this was from a leaf, key lime pie. I grew this from a key lime pie leaf. Look how big that is. And this is an echeveria of some kind. To be honest, I do not know what it is. I did not label it, but I'll be putting that in. And then I have these little guys. This one, it fell off a shelf and broke, but I figured I could do this and put those little tiny cuttings there. And they look cute. Oops, sorry. Look how cute that'll look. So that's what I have. This gravel here, this was from one of my daughter's fish tanks. I'll probably pick out the neon fluorescent stuff and use the black, but I thought a black would be a nice way of using these up and a nice contrast to the terracotta. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on this. Okay, so here we have the finished product. Doesn't it look wonderful? I found these little gems inside of the container with the rock. Yeah, I decided to leave them in there. I thought they looked really cute. It almost looks like a night sky with stars or something. But I thought it just came out wonderful. I did add some cuttings from my string of bananas and this ghost plant cutting that I had too. But look how cute these tiny little pots look next to it. And it's sitting here. Here's a look at the pot on my shelf. And these will grow on here for quite a while. And, you know, it may lose some form if they start growing out or up like this jade plant. But otherwise, it'll keep form for quite a while. At least for a season, you know, through the spring and summer. But I just love the way it looks. Have you tried these before, friend? Have you been part of the Sucky in a pot challenge? I had such a good time with this. I really love it. Hope you enjoyed it too, friends, and hope it, you know, it encourages you and inspires you to create something like this. And if you do, tag me on Instagram, Carmen Whitehead Designs, and let me see what you created. I would love to see it. Thanks so much, friends, for joining me today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Have a blessed day, friends.